Hi there, how are you doing? Sorry there's a bit of background noise. I am roadside while I do this. This is very much a field review. Now I've been sent this little pump by Outdoor Master and comes in this nice box. I'm doing this one-handed so I'm making it a bit difficult. And what we've got here is a little pump for air mats and inflatable boats. So it will do things like packrafts. So I'm going to inflate the Ituit PR 500 with it and see how it goes. Before we do that, so obviously you get the pump in the box, there is a little carry bag, and then in here there is a box with a selection of various adapters, some instructions and a charging cable and a lanyard. The controls on this are really simple. All you've got is simple on off, USB-C and then a charging indicator. You've got an inflate and an outflate hole.
Outflate? What the hell's this guy talking about, I can hear you say?
The adapters just slot on, as you can see I've slotted that one on there. They just pop onto the inflate and the outflate ports. Just starting to strain, so we'll stop that now. I was just starting to strain, so we'll stop that. This is supposed to inflate to 1 psi, and to be honest with you, that feels pretty good. So that's not a bad start for this Outdoor Master. Forget what it's called, I'll put the name of it on the screen, but the name of the pump. So far, I've used this Outdoor Master Bonito Pump to inflate this kayak 3 times. I haven't even done any air mats yet, but the fact that it's done this 3 times is really quite impressive. That's quite good, I'm chuffed with that. Right, I've got the Bonito Pump here again. I've inflated this packraft 3 times already. Let's see if it'll do a 4th. And it has. Nice. Right, I've got a couple of air mats. Let's see if it'll inflate those too. Yep, there we go. That's one done. Let's see how it gets on with this one. Done. So there we go. 4 packrafts, 2 air mats. Never deflated it with one. Let's see if we can deflate the packraft with one. These doesn't matter so much. I'll just take the bulk of the air out here. So I'll put the adapter for this one on the orange end, which is the outflate as I've been calling it, or deflate. Certainly doing a good job. Done. Yep, definitely done. So this is the Outdoor Master Bonito Pump. I really rate this. It does do packrafts to a really good job. So I've inflated 4 times, deflated once and done 2 air mats, and it's still got some beans left in it. Not bad at all. I'll put a link in the comments and description so you can check it out for yourself if you're interested. Thanks so much for watching. Oops, just one more thing before I go. What I would recommend with this is that you keep it in the bag that it comes in. The reason I say that is there's no lock on the switch and it has activated in my bag, you know, something's pushed against it. So best keep it in the bag, I think, to stop that from happening. And my top tip for Outdoor Master would be battery level indicator. It could really do with a battery level indicator. Right, now where were we? Thanks so much for watching. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.